Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download brother MFC-L3760CDW, this printer driver. Download and install. Okay, so when you search on the Google search box, open any browsers to search on Google search box. After that you can see this is first support.brother.com, this official website. So download only driver only official websites from only on its official website. So click on it, first URL, first link, and different OS also there, Windows, Mac, Linux, mobile also, and then this is Windows 11. Select the Windows and Windows 11, Windows 10, 32, 64 also there, server also there. Select the Windows 11 and then click to OK. After that you can see this is the full method. This is installation software with software also there. This is also software, and this is the driver, USB driver and scanner. So just click on it. So after that it will start downloading. It will start, but before that you have to click to agree and then click on download icon. When you click, so it will start downloading. So it is completed. Okay, so after that click on three dot, then this icons to click. So after that you can see this where it is downloaded now. So after that you can see where it is downloaded, it will open this. Okay, so just double click it. So you know these locations where it is. After the double click, it generate this file. Okay, this is your driver, full driver. Okay, so in the document, then next final method, click to start, and then setting. After that click to Bluetooth and device and printer and scanner. Okay, then click to add device. So when click add device, after that it will open the manual options, so need to click add. After that this options, then add. This is first the computer and printer. Okay, second the IP, brother the network. So this is the IP. If you know the IP address, so you can next and then enter the IP address and like that. Okay, and this is the last local via USB and manually. Next, by default this is the printer point, and then next, then click to have disk, then click browse, then click to document and GDI, open it and select this file. Okay, .inf, and then click to open and then click to OK. After that find out your model number, MFC-L3760 CWD series, and then next, next, and finish it. So after that you can see this is your printer is installed, but need to restart before the printing your printer also and your system also. Okay, and then you can come on same locations and then click to test print. Thank you.